Open our project and take a new item, a web form. So login.aspx will save it as. So add. Let's take a table of 5 rows and 1 column. Here I am not going to take a different label to show what we have to enter. Instead, we are going to in text box we are going to add a placeholder so that we can understand it. Okay, so yeah, we are going to see it further. So now let us do some designing. Let's give a font color, then size will change. Again, some designs you might like, you can also do the same way, doesn't matters. Okay. And one more thing I'm going to add here, that is label. Okay, first let us give a background color. Okay, now let us add a label. This label I am adding because when our password or email goes wrong, so for the incorrect message I am taking here label. Now for doing that things, let us add one new table in SQL. So 2 fields are there, my email and password, and we are going to take add data type as nvarchar 50. Here we are saving it as login table as per my convenience, but you want, you can change it, no problem. Okay, now we are going to add some dummy values so that it will be used for login. So 2 values here I am adding. Let's check it. Select star from our table name. Okay, it is successfully done. Now in .NET, first we are going to add our library files. Then we will add a connection string. This is important. This is the connection of our database to this form, to this table. Just we have to copy and paste the connection string. Now this command is really simple. Just we have to select the values from the table and we have to check whether those values are matching to the values which we are inserting. So a simple query, select star from table name, where condition is used, where our email will be equal to the email that we have entered and password is equal to password. Then we have to pass the parameters. Okay. Here I have not given the ID to the text box. Let's change it. For email, we'll write txt email, and for password, we will write it as txt password. Okay. Now we are going to add SQL data adapter. So basically SQL data adapter is used for the connection between database and data sets, and data set is nothing but it contains our table. Okay, so main coding is here. Now we have to check the conditions. So if I am writing any condition, means if there is a value something I am entering, so it will be passed into the session. So for that we are writing here one session. You can write whatever name of session you want there. I am giving this session name to the email. Okay, and one new page we are going to add here so that it can redirect after successful login. So here is my default page. So you can, if you want, you can change the name, doesn't matters. So as it is default, I'm going to write over here. So after successful login, it will move to the default page. Otherwise, if my condition goes wrong, then the label which I have took in there, the message will be shown as username or password is incorrect. Okay, let's run and see. We will enter a wrong value, and yes, we can see the message. So error messages are mostly shown in red, so let us also give a red color to it and change the font. Okay, now what I want, when I am successfully entered or successfully logged in, so in the default page or in the new page, I want to say welcome and who has entered, its name I want to see. So welcome and the name. For that we are taking here label, and in the .cs page we'll write label .text equals to the session. Most important here is the message and the session. So message you want, you can write anything, and session must be the session that we have passed in the login page. Okay, so that same session must be used here also. Fine, now let's see. Yeah, it responses to the next page, and message also came successfully. Okay, fine. Yeah, now I was telling about the placeholder, how we'll understand what we have to enter. So here it is, just you have to write placeholder equal to, in double quotes you have to write what you want to enter there. Okay, it's quite simple. Yeah, we can see the placeholder and also the red color for the wrong thing. Yeah, so now it's look pretty. Thank you.